Good morning students, welcome to your math class. Our today's exercise is exercise 4D, question number 2. Question 1 we have already done. So now this question 2 I am going to explain you, and topic is multiplication. Exercise 4D in front of you and your questions also. First question is 28 multiplied by 16. This I will explain you on the blank page. So I will explain this question you here. A part, this question 2, and question was of multiplication. Multiply A part is here. (28) we have to multiply by 16. So what is our first step here? First of all, we will write the places at the top. Ones, tens. Under this we will start writing digits from the right side. Ones place we will write 8, tens place we will write 2. We will put the sign of multiplication, and multiplier is 6. Multiplier is 16. Firstly ones place 6 and then tens place 2. Then we will draw the line. Now we will break up it. 16 means 10 plus 6. So first of all we will do the multiplication of, we will multiply 28 by 6 and that product we will write here. Now what we will do, we will read the table of 6 up to 8 ja. 6 8 ja 48. 8 we will write under this and this 4 will be carry. Now we will read the table of 6 up to 2 ja. 6 2 ja 12, but we will not write 12 here, we will add the carry also, it becomes 16. 12 plus 4 16. Once again 6 8 ja 48, 8 we have written, 4 was carry. Now 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 4 it becomes 16, and 16 we have written here. Now next is our ones place digit multiplication was over. Now we will multiply it by 1, and it is not 1, it is 10. So at ones place digit we will put 0 or we will put the sign of cross. You can write here 0 also. Now we will read the table of 1 up to 8 ja. We will read the table of 8. Table of 1 up to 8 ja. 1 8 ja 8. You can write here 8. Under this you will write 8 here. Now read the table of 1 up to 2 ja. 1 2 ja 2. Now your multiplication is over. Now you will add these two digits. This is the answer of 28 multiplied by 10, and that is 280. At ones place we have put here sign of multiplication. Now we will add it. 8 plus nothing, it is 8. 6 plus 8 14. 1 was carry. 2 and 1 3 plus 1 4. So what is your answer here? When you have multiplied 28 by 16, you got the answer 448. The same way I am going to explain next question. Next is 109. It's the B part, question 2 B part. 109 you have to multiply by 15. How will you multiply? First step is you will write the places at the top. The multiplicand, it contains 3 digits. It means we will write the places up to 100. And we will start writing from the right side. Ones, tens and hundreds. Now put the sign of multiplication. Write under ones place we will write 5. There is a less space to calculate it, so I will use another page. 109 we have to multiply by 15. Firstly, we will read the table of 5 up to 9 ja, 5 9 ja 45. 5 we will write here and 4 will be carried. Now we will read the table of 5 up to 1 ja, zeros are 5 zeros are 0, and now we will add that carry also, it becomes 4, and that 4 we will write here. Now we will multiply 5 by 100 place digit. 1's place digit we will multiply by 100. 5 ones are 5, and that 5 we will write here. Now 1 place multiplication is over. That carry also we will remove because we have to write here next carry. We will rough or erase or rough work also. Now you know that 15 means 10 plus 5, and 5 multiplication is over. Now we have to multiply by 10. So at this 0 place, 1's place we will put 0, or you can put multiplication sign, and now we will start multiplication by 1. 1 9's are 9, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1's are 1, and now we will add it. And erase this sign. Okay. Now this was the multiplication of 109. We have multiplied by 5 and got the answer 545. Here 109 ko we have multiplied by 10. This 0 place we have written here 0 and multiplied by 1. Now we will add it. 5 plus 0 5, 9 plus 4 13, 1 was carry, 5 and 1 6 we will write here, and 1 goes to 1000 place. Now check what is your answer. When you have multiplied 109 by 15, you got the product 1635. This is your answer. I think it is clear to you. Next question, it is C part. $35 we have to multiply by 12. Same process. Firstly, write the places at the top, 1's, 10's. Start digit writing from the right side, 3, 5 and 3. Put the sign of multiplication. Then write the multiplier. And now we will multiply it. For the multiplication, I am going to use new page. We have to multiply it by 12. Our first step is we will read the table of 2 up to 5 or table of 5 up to 2 5 2 10. 0 I will write here and 1 was carry. Now read the table of 2 up to 3 2 3 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Now 1's place multiplication is over. 12 means 10 plus 2, and 35 ko 2 say we have multiplied here. Now 35 we will multiply by 10. So this 0 place I will put here 0, and now we will read table of 1 up to 5 1 5 5, 1 3 3. Now you will add it. Then we add, then it becomes the answer of 35 multiplied by 12. 35 multiplied by 2, 35 multiplied by 10, 10 plus 2, 12. We will add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, it is 12. 1 is carry. 3 and 1, 4. So what is our answer here? When we multiplied 35 by 12, we got our answer 422. So you will write your answer here. Our product is 420. Next is D part. 215 we have to multiply by 32. Same multiplication and same steps you have to follow here also. So before doing multiplication, what is your first step? You will write the places at the top. Then you will leave proper space here, because here you have to write carry. And then you will start writing digits from the right side. 5, 1, 2, and under this multiplier, and multiplier is here 32, 2 and 3. Then you will draw the line. Write 32 in expanded form. 30 plus 2. So firstly 215 ko we will multiply by 2, and then we will multiply it by 30. Write the places at the top. Then write the digits. 215 multiply by 32. Read the table of 2 up to 5s are 5 2s are 10. 0 we will write here. 1 was carry. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, it is 3. Now again read the table of 2 up to 2s are 2 2s are 4. I will write this again. Now here what we have done? We have done 215 we have multiplied by 2, and now we will multiply it by 30. So now 215 we will multiply by 30. For this 0, ones place, as ones place multiplication was over, tens place 3 we will multiply. Tens place, how many tens are here? 3. So ones place we will put here 0, and we will start multiplication by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 is carry. See, we have to write here new carry, so previous carry we will remove, and we will write here our new carry, that is also 1. 3 5s are 15. 1 is carry. Now 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. 3 2s are 6. Our multiplication is over. Now we will add it. So 215 here we have multiplied by 32, and we got the answer. 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 3 8. 4 and 4 8. 6 has nothing to add, so your answer is 6880. This way students you can do rest parts also. So in question 2 there are 2, 4, 6 and 8 parts. This is your homework. Do practice your on and try to solve all the sums. If you found any difficulty in next class, I will take that. Thank you. Have a nice day.